Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix security check failed in McDonald's app device network verification. Fix 1. Turn off VPNs and network filters. You just have to open your phone setting and tap on network and internet or connection. Select the VPN and you just have to turn it off any active VPN connection. Turn off any active ad blockers app and disconnect from the public Wi-Fi and switch to your mobile data. Fix to enable location permission. For Android, you just have to long press on the McDonald app icon at the home screen and tap on app info or eye icon. Then tap permission, select location and choose allow only while using the app. You just have to turn on the toggle for use precise location. For iOS, open your iPhone setting, scroll down and tap on McDonald's and tap on location and select while using the app. You just have to turn on the toggle for precise location. Fix 3. Clear app storage and data. On Android, navigate to phone setting, select apps, choose the desired app like McDonald's. Then tap on the storage, select clear cache, tap on force stop. On your iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. Swipe up on the app to close it. Then navigate to Setting, General, iPhone Storage. Select the McDonald app you want to offload. Then tap on the offload to free up your storage. Fix 4. Open login verification link correctly. Open the default mail app on your phone, example Gmail or Apple Mail. Locate and open the McDonald's verification email, then tap on the login link provided in the email. If promoter, select to open the link using the McDonald's app instead of a web browser. Thanks for watching.